As some of you may know, my other main thing is I'm actually a theater director, and we have a brand new original play called SPECIMEN, which is set basically in the 1970s aboard a spacecraft tooling around the universe, collecting specimens for sale. If you want to see the trailer, here it is.
You're here because you want to learn more about working on a U.S. Vita Navis. We are the vanguard in the collection of interesting living specimens from the four corners, if you will, of the known universe.
God damn it, Overhoser!
How many reports do I have to make?
Everybody does that.
This is an exciting field with many opportunities for advancement. There has been a highly unusual event.
There's blood all over in there.
Oh, for Christ's sake!
I think she was lying.
Look, I can't do more.
Severely contaminated.
We can work this out.
Come here, you guys!
No, don't come down here!
Leave at the same time.
Is it really such a big deal?
So everybody come and see Specimen. It's just a little bit over an hour. I mean, come on. It's on until June 6th. For tickets, go to accesscompany.org. And if you say dinner party tonight, you'll get a $5 ticket. Come on.
You're here because you want to learn more about working on a U.S. Vita Navis. Good choice.